Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is for math applications. This is for Friday, August 20th. I'm actually going to be out for a few days, so I'll just keep making these videos, and we will catch up when I get back. But here's what I need for you to do today. So the following should be complete: the respect agreement, the class scripture you should have turned in, your lesson 1 you should have watched the practice video and the start problems, and your lesson 2 video notes should be done. Okay, so in Schoology I've made a discussion where you can put the numbers of problems you didn't understand from lesson 1. Now if you understood all of the problems from lesson 1, you don't have to worry about it, but let me show you where that's at. So if I go to math applications, and this video will probably be above this, but questions about lesson 1 practice. This is a discussion. So basically what you do is you just type the numbers that you had issues with, and when I get back we'll cover those. But make sure that those problems aren't covered in the start problem video, because you may already have the resources you need. Let's see, and then it says to work out the lesson 2 practice set. So the lesson 2 practice set, let me take a look at the book, is right here. It starts on page 17, and I believe it goes to page 18. I want you to go ahead and try and work those problems. If you have any trouble, or if you get stuck on any of the problems, feel free to watch the lesson 2 practice set video, and let me show you where that's at. So if we go down to lessons 1 through 5, lesson 2, you have your notes, your lesson 2 video, your practice set video, and your start problems video. After you do the practice set, you're going to want to start working on the lesson 2 written practice, which starts on page right here. I think this is 18. Yeah, page 18. So lesson 2 written practice starts on page 18, and I think it just goes from 18 to 19 there. Those are the 30 problems. I would do the non-starred problems first, and then I would attempt the starred problems. If you get stuck on the starred problems, go ahead and watch the lesson 2 starred problem video, and make sure while you're working through your lesson 2 written practice, you mark the problems that you don't understand, because you're going to have an opportunity to, in a discussion, to put those numbers so that we can get together and work those out. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Otherwise, have a great day.